Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. There is one common mistake that people often make, and that can result into expensive repairs, thousands of dollars in replacing computers, modules. We'll explain what it is, how we know about it. It happened to us back in the day, so we want to make sure you don't do that and don't spend money that you don't have to. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today guys will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger or Dodge Challenger. The common thing between these two vehicles, they're built on the same platform, so most of the repairs done to one will apply to the other one. They share their engines, transmission, suspension. If you guys have a problem where you have warning lights, you have engine light warnings, dash lights, oh it's incoming, blinking, you wonder what causes that. We've seen people that will spend thousands of dollars on repairs, replace even engine computers, sensors. We've seen people replace transmissions when it's something that 9 out of 10 people overlook and never think about that. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Even if they think about it, they often make a mistake. We want to show you that so you guys don't waste money fixing your vehicle. Let's start on it now. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you guys how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine lights, fuses, transmission. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, what can easily cause that? These newer vehicles guys nowadays, they use many control units known as modules. That's practically little bitty computers that work together. On some vehicles we've seen like a Porsche, Volkswagen, Mercedes, BMWs, we've seen having up to 40, 50 of them in a vehicle. And Dodge uses quite a few of those too. Now, they need constant voltage, they need good power, and if you see deviation in voltage, battery power, that can cause guys things to be chaotic. You can see warning lights, flashing lights, hard shifting, engine lights, multiple things caused by weak battery. Now guys, the first thing to check is your battery, and that's where people make common mistake. I want to show you guys something. Okay, let's explain what we have here now. People, when they test the battery, the first mistake they make is get a voltmeter, right? Because if you just get that voltmeter here, check what you guys have. Okay, here you have that battery is 12.55 volts, but if we check that one here, what do we have here guys? 12.82. So that tells us that this battery right here is the better battery, right? Now let us surprise you guys. What we get here? Here we get guys, okay, a battery tester. We'll put the information in the video where you can get one from, and we'll recommend to, because it can pay itself off in one-time use. The tester says 12.84 volts, which is pretty close to the voltmeter. Very minimum difference. And if we test that battery now, this is out of vehicle battery after charge. It's AGM plated battery, and it's rated at 800 cold cranking amps. Okay, if we test that battery, even though it's 12.84 volts, we're going to get guys only 160 cold cranking amps out of 800 rated, and the state of health is only 3%. Your vehicle may start with that battery, but it may be unstable current, and that can cause guys quite a bit of warnings. If we test the one right here, okay, check what's happening now. 12.58 voltage, right? And this one, okay, this one is AGM again. However, this one is a little bit bigger. It's rated at 900 cold cranking amps. And if we test that battery now, you're going to notice that we have 950 amps out of 900. State of health 100%. That's better than new battery. Healthy battery will usually have higher ratings than the label. The label is the minimum practically that it should have. Now, if we open the one in the car, okay, it will be pretty easy to see that if we connect the battery tester, even a voltage, a voltmeter, you're going to notice that the voltage is only at Okay, let us zoom in 10.4 guys. So that clearly indicates bad battery. Mostly one of the cells is done. The vehicle still starts, and practically the customer will not suspect almost anything, but you have all kinds of warning lights, all kind of weird behavior out of that battery as well. This one is rated at 730 cold cranking amps. So if we adjust here that, we're going to see that in this battery that has only 10.4 volts, we have guys 235 cold cranking amps out of 730. Instead of here 30%, it needs to be replaced guys. Definitely bad battery. So guys, never underestimate bad battery. Something else too, common mistake people make when replacing the battery. You need to know which battery terminal to disconnect first and which battery terminal to connect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn computers, modules, control units. Those could cost you thousands of dollars to replace guys. It did happen to us back in the day when we first started working on cars. That's why I want to share it with you. So we made a special video. We'll share the link in the description of the video below, which battery terminal to disconnect first and which battery terminal to connect first. Now, if you have a Dodge Charger or Dodge Challenger on this YouTube channel, we're going to have videos about every single fuse, relay. So let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find fuel pump fuse, you can find it, replace it, you're back on the road. Check it out, subscribe to the channel, we have very helpful information. Thank you for watching, see you next time.